Hello everyone. This is Badulla Railway Station alive under a bright sun, bustling with movement just one day before Cyclone Dithwa approached. Trains arrive and depart as usual. Passengers go about their journeys, unaware that calm skies like these can so quickly give way to the power of nature. After the cyclone struck the heart of Sri Lanka's railway network, the legendary Upcountry railway line was completely blocked and collapsed. 4 days, the line lay silent. But after 23 long days, on the 20th of December 2025, Sri Lanka Railways begins a new chapter, restoring the journey from Badulla to Badulla. Join us as the rails come alive once more, and the journey begins again. This is paradise in my eyes. This is Badulla Railway Station on the morning of the 20th of December 2025 at around 8:15 a.m. Let's go inside and see what is happening there. Around us, a large crowd has gathered, locals and foreign travellers alike. There is a shared sense of excitement in the air, visible on their eager faces, as everyone waits to witness this historic moment and be part of a journey that is about to begin once again. The Deputy Minister of Tourism is delivering a speech expressing gratitude to the Railway Department for restoring the railway line ahead of the expected timeline. He also speaks about the future of tourism in Sri Lanka, highlighting the importance of resilience, connectivity, and the role of the railway in welcoming the world once again. Here, you can see the beautifully decorated Udarata Menike slowly approaching the platform, moving with pride and grace, like a bride arriving for her wedding. After weeks of silence, the train returns as a symbol of hope, renewal, and the spirit of Sri Lanka's Upcountry railway. People across Sri Lanka felt deep sorrow over the damage to this main railway line, because it is more than just steel and tracks, it is an icon of the nation. This is a railway line loved by people with all their hearts, just as I do. Today, in this beautiful moment, I offer my heartfelt greetings and deepest respect to the dedicated workers of the Railway Department, whose sacrifices and tireless efforts restored the line before the expected time frame. Member of Parliament Samantha Vidyarathna delivers a valuable speech to the crowd, highlighting the deep historical significance of this railway line and its enduring importance to Sri Lanka's heritage. The Mayor and the Deputy Mayor of the Badulla district also took part in this golden moment. Afterwards, everyone present joined in the chanting of the Seth Parith, offered by the noble Sangha, bringing blessings and spiritual energy to this historic occasion. After that, a Russian tourist delivered a speech in her own language, warmly inviting the world to come and experience the beauty of Sri Lanka. This is the moment after 23 days of silence. The Udarata Menike sounds her horn once again, filling everyone's hearts with warmth and joy. It seems to say, "I am coming back," as she begins her first new journey, carrying hope and happiness along the tracks. The area ahead suffered severe earth slips caused by Cyclone Dithwa, showing the immense power of nature that once blocked this railway line. Here, you can see another location, each with its own story and impact from the cyclone. At Holly Ella railway station, a large crowd has gathered, including both foreign visitors and locals, eagerly waiting here for the arrival of the train. This area too was heavily affected and covered by the impacts of the cyclone, showing the widespread damage along the railway line. Default text: the railway workers and members of the three forces sacrificed everything, their time, their energy, and even risked their lives to restore the railway to this condition. We must honor and respect them from the bottom of our hearts. They are the true heroes of this victory. This is the tunnel area of the Demodara Loop, which was also a victim of severe earth slips caused by the cyclone, showing the challenges faced in restoring this iconic railway line. Passing through the Demodara Loop, we now enter Demodara railway station. Look at the large crowd gathered here, filled with excitement and anticipation for the train's arrival. At Demodara, train enthusiasts warmly welcomed the two train pilots with bouquets of flowers. They had also beautifully decorated the train, celebrating both the crew and the return of this historic railway journey. A Hindu priest offered his blessings to the train and to the people gathered here, sharing his heartfelt wishes for safety, prosperity, and a smooth journey ahead. Do you ever wonder why people reacted this way toward the train? Why they cherish it so deeply? It's because the train is an invaluable part of their lives. The sound of its horn, the rhythm of its engine, the gentle vibrations, they are woven into their daily lives. For many, The train is like a close member of the family. That's why they mourned when disaster struck. And that's why their hearts are now filled with joy as it returns. I will pause this video here for today. Stay tuned for the next part, where we continue a journey from 9 Arch Bridge to Ambiwilla. See you soon.